Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper. Well, actually, it's today's Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, it's the additional of the Saturday, March the 11th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. Binary number 61003. Yeah, 6103. Before I start, I always count the printed digits well. This one has 15 printed digits. 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double. Here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Here we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 here or there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last row. Not allow one of the rules. So the last one, the fourth one, should be in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes should be no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Well. And now we need to think, or compare. Nope. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And now. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And now, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Time for comparing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, time for comparing. I can compare this row. Yeah. Do we have a 1001 here? Let me see. Here, 1001 here. An O. 1. Yeah. This row and the last row. 1, 1, empty box. 1, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare again. Here also 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Question: the columns or the rows? Yeah. Need to compare, but which one? Which of the 4? Okay, 0110. Do we have 0111? No. Do we have here 1100? Here we have a 1100. 10. Yeah. This row and that row. Yeah. Let me compare. Oh, 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 oh. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finished in 5 minutes. Well, we solve it again, we solve it again. Need to compare twice. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also with myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. In this additional, then we have a Samurai Sudoku. Yeah. But first, the tectonic with 4 stars. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.